Hi, Gil from Testing Gil here, and today I want to talk about translations. Between languages, but also between other things. We translate things all day, every day, and we're not really good at it. Let's start at the beginning of software, that is. The customer has a problem. They need a fix, but they can't tell us how to fix their problem. Okay, sometimes they do tell us how to fix the problem, but they're good at this as much as we are. So, in comes the product manager and offers a solution. The solution is a translation from the problem space to the solution space. Right, now we know what to build, but how do we build it? In comes the architect, or the lead designer, or the senior developer. They suggest a way to build a solution, one that will fit the current architecture and won't cost a lot of money. This is a translation from the what to the how, but we're not done yet. Now we need to translate the how, which is sort of a high-level design, to a low-level design, from modules and components to classes and functions. We have developers to do that. And then the developers do the final translation, from design to code. Actually, there are a couple of more steps of translations. The code gets built, either by tools or by some kind of voodoo. Then it is deployed. We think of all these translations are like one-to-one, accurate, precise, but they're not. With each translation come translation errors. Lots of I thought that, or I assumed that, or the user will never do that. Oh, but they will. I left out the testers, so here are translations for them. First, they take the requirements for the product manager and they translate that into test specifications. Then they take those specifications and turn those into test examples. It is the same process, but just with different translation errors. And behold, out of all these translation errors come bugs. It looks like an unsolvable problem. Well, first, it is unsolvable. We can't really get rid of translation errors. Even if everyone on the team knew everything, there are still going to be differences in understanding. So what can we do about it? First, accept it. Bugs are not going away. Next, communicate. Over and over again, all the time. We can continue to rely on documents and diagrams, even the code, the almighty truth. But we need to be aware that they are not the complete truth. The complete story actually sits in fragments of different people's minds. So documents are not going away either. They are our storage devices. But, like little children, documents should never be left alone or relied completely upon. I hope I made myself clear and that there were no translation errors. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and watch other videos on this channel. And in the comments, tell me how you're dealing with translation errors. More documentation, more diagrams, notes on the wall. Until next time, bye-bye.